We guys in ziyakhala zikuloud speaker emzumbe. Musa, on the other hand, he is busy posting and deleting. Now, I got the screenshots from Lady Londi on Facebook, and this is what Musa posted. So Musa posted on Instagram and said, I spent over 490k of my own money buying a property at Umkomasi for Unompendulo. She also asked the property to be finished. I asked Makumalo to work on that using our family money. When her first failed marriage, she wanted furniture. We organized that. On her second failed marriage, we used our own money to sponsor it. When I bought cars for my wives, I guess she wanted a car as well. Unfortunately, we couldn't get one for her, but we bought for my estranged brother a buggy using our own family money. Well, guys, let me tell you, this post is now deleted. Musa posted and deleted within seconds. But guess what? It is said that some of his family members posted on WhatsApp, and I'm guessing they were replying to this post here. Now, this is what they said. You mean the very same family that gave you love when you had nothing? You mean the very same family that caught you uchela umuthi ebhokisini lazipho? Ngabe ukhuluma ngezangoma owafika nazo emanxiweni obabamkhulu? Musa, ngabe ukhuluma ngale same family wena njalo wawuhlaba every Thursday makuzoba nomcimbi womndeni? Ngabe ithina esasihlala nezinyoka emzini kagogo uFlow? Musa, ngabe ithina esasithatha inhlabathi emathuneni makushoniwe? Uyogcina ngokukhohlisa abakwa-TV. The gloves are off, you piece of shit. Wena nja owakantini not kwamseleku. Kwamseleku awenziwa lamanyala owenzayo, with angry emojis. Well, another post says, if kuya ngokwami Musa, ngabe bengithi, let's just invite the media and give our family a chance to tell the whole world who you really are. I've seen with my own eyes, Musa, esigodlweni sakagogo uFlow. You just took it too far. Yo, guys. Now, I think this family member owakomseleku was triggered after umusa ethe ephathini yakhe akasekho close noNompumelelo, and reason engasekho close noNompumelelo, it's because uNompumelelo wahamba wayoconsulta nesangoma samtshela ke isangoma ukuthi umusa mubi kangakanani. So ever since then uNompumelelo akasekho close noMusa, and uMusa ke uqhubekile lana wathi ufise ngathi abantu bengayeka ukubeya enyangeni mabenenkinga, you know. Hi guys, it seems like kune family member evele nje ya triggered ke ya poster all these allegations. So ukuthi umusa unenyoka, angazi noma wayehlala nenyoka emzini kagogo uFlow, into enjalo, a huge allegations ke sana, yay akusimina. Well, guys, after the allegations ends way, one of the family member Yakwamseleku Umakhumalo posted these pictures on her Instagram. I think this was her way of saying, I support you, boo boo. I support you. I stand with you all the way. I know the allegations are false. And I know your hearts. I know that you are one hardworking man. Well, guys, I mean, into kamseleku, off, guys, off. You know, one thing I know about black people, once one person in a family makes it, we tend to feel entitled. We tend to feel like, since I'm your auntie, since I'm your uncle, therefore I'm entitled to some of your wealth, you know. I know that, and I know that once you are this person who's gonna set a boundary, let's say Umusa became successful, and therefore now he's starting to set some boundaries. But yes, you are my auntie, but then I have wives and kids, and my wives and kids are my priority, not you. You get? And I know that once you set boundaries, some of the families are gonna hate you. Babazokuzonda, bet oh, so, you know, we're there for him, nah, manjo sesilahlile, and this and that, you know. but ke guys I don't think ukuthi wonke umuntu engakuzonda wonke umuntu, you know, because into kaMusa is very off, guys. And you know, you're trying to tell me that he doesn't have an uncle, he doesn't have a cousin, he has no one. He had just his sister whomst now they are fighting, you know, they are fighting. Anyway, Kaizini, I know, I get that Uma Combs was trying to say, this is my man and I shall stand with him. In all the allegations and all the rumors that are being spread, I shall stand with him. I mean, that's not what she said in her post, but then, I mean, she posted these beautiful pictures and then she captioned Umdeni wami, you know. But guys, in Indoga Musa, yona off leash a bit. The fact that he just doesn't have his own family, you know, he doesn't have anyone. The only family that he got is his wives and his children. We have not seen his cousin. We have not seen his uncle, his great you know, guys, off mandla into kaMusa. But then again, I understand, being black myself, it's very not easy being successful in a black family because other people just expect a lot from you, unreasonable things even, you know. But guys, listen, while we are unpacking Uthando Nesthembu, we have got rid of allegations that were made by Umusa earlier this week. Now let's get to the real tea, child. Let's get to the real tea. And that is umayeni wethu, guys, Shabeni. This tonight's episode, it's all gonna be about Oshabeni, Lalela Sana, Oshabeni, and it's gonna be Umayeni versus Umacele. Hi. We have waited for this one. I don't know what's triggered the argument. Yay, when I tell you that I am just looking forward to tonight's episode just like everybody else, I am looking forward to tonight's episode just like everybody else. Our queens, they are at each other's throats. Kesana, yay, kuninzi. So ke guys, ngicabanga ukuthi into ezobangwa umayeni noma mkhulu wethu uMacele indaba ka number 5. Now guys, you will remember ukuthi uMacele was in support of number 5 ukuthi eze eMzumbe simply because yena akahlali eMzumbe, uhlala eSiphaqa. So these 3 other wives bafila very much if anything they felt violated because it's their space, you know. Mzumbe is their home, is their safe space. So indaba yokuthi kuzolethwa number 5 eMzumbe, it really did not sit well with the other wives. And also indaba yokuthi umamkhulu uyena who was in support of indaba ka number 5, indaba yokuthi number 5 akalethwe eMzumbe, and bona babe like hayibo phela umamkhulu akahlala la eMzumbe, so number 5 umeseza la eMzumbe kahle uzohlala nathi. So ke guys, ngiyacabanga ke la, these are just my assumptions because angazi kahle ukuthi yay this heated argument that is going to be between umayeni noMacele kuzobe kungeyani kahle andazi mntakadead. Andazi but I can only assume, at this point I can only assume ukuthi it probably has something to do with wife number 5 because even during the argument uyambona la ukuthi uMacele usefuna ukuhamba because akahlala eMzumbe, you get. Hayi umayeni uyasho la ukuthi wena inkinga yakho ukuthi uthanda ukuza la ekhaya ulethe ushidi wakho la ekhaya uwazi kahle ukuthi uzophinda uhambe. Yayi ngithi wajika guys, uMacele wajika ngomkhulu 360 wathilalela wemato uzongicika wemato, wathi nje umayeni lalela ayikho nje nento ozoyenza ke. Ayikho nento ozoyenza noma uyacikeka noma ucikeki kuyayifanela nje cause into ozoyenza ayikho. Yey ngithi ukuba uMusa kangena ngaphansi kwabo. Lalela ukuba uMusa waba umpumelelo the time uVuyokazi noTirelo befuna ukubambana, wathi nje umpumelelo lalela angikwazi nje mina ukungcoyisisa ude yami. Ngiqhubeke kahle kanje hey ngase ngithele ukudla because you remember if I ka intombi kaMpumelelo happened whilst they were having dinner, so maybe uMpumelelo ecenge ukuthi ngase ngithele ukudla la ensudwini so nje angeke kuze kwenzakale. So luckily and we're very grateful for uMusa ukuthi akacabangelanga impahla zakhe ekade egqokile ngaleso sikhathi. Wakwazi bandla ukulamula hey guys inihlazo. It's very embarrassing, women who are in their 40s physical with each other. No, please, are we 18? Are we in high school right now? Kwenzakalani? So I am happy that it did not get that far. But anyway, guys, I feel like uMayeni benoMacele had to do it. You know, they had to fixane la bafuna ukufixana khona because yay guys, like kudala, you know, and there was a time whereby uMacele also went out to have dinner with ubaba Nkosi yami. She said things like uMayeni has been bragging about uMzumbe, ukuthi uMzumbe kukwakhe nan you get, and yena nje uyayifunisa ithi yakhe yedwa nan because akafuna ukulibele bragela uMayeni libele mtshela ukuthi eMzumbe kukwakhe. And I think vele guys i-cure of the argument between uMacele noMayeni on tonight's episode, I could be wrong but honestly I think it has to do with uMzumbe. Like that was the core of the argument. I think uMayeni feels like uMzumbe uwakhe and uMacele akabelongi fully eMzumbe since engahlali eMzumbe, so therefore uMayeni feels like uMacele akakwazi ukuba nesay noma ukwenza ukusho izinto like things like ukuthi number 5 akaze eMzumbe nan9. Ufile ngathi uMacele akakwazi ukuba nesay enjalo simply because yena akahlali eMzumbe, you get. Ayike angazi kuMacele ukuthi yena mhlambe usoyijustify ethini because guys honestly uMacele uhlala esipark guys, yena uhlala yedwa esipark, akacikwa unkosikazi, akacikwa umuntu, you get, uhlala nabelungu lapha esipark. But you get the drill because Sipak does look like it's in the suburbs, you know, it's not khona emakhaya. So uhlala kamnandi guys, and at the end of the day uMacele esipark, you guys. So nakho ke lapha ke eMzumbe mele kusabafazi abayi50 and every time abafazi abawu50 mabefuna indawo or mele befakwe eMzumbe nabanye abafazi. So yeah, angazi ke guys ukuthi uyindaba uMayeni yena yedwa nje uzofila so entitled ngendaba yaseMzumbe, but kesana it's giving ukuthi uthi kukwami la kwakho kusesipark, hamba ushawa umthetho esipark, usiyeke thina la eMzumbe kani wahamba la eMzumbe. So ke please sisi phuma nje indaba zaseMzumbe ungayifaki nalokuyifaka. It's giving ukuthi uMayeni vele usho kanjalo, but kesana asazi casini. Like I said, this is just purely my speculations. Lalelani hayi umangwabe ave ixoki. Oh baby girl, oshage esikhulu smile, esikhulu smile. Hi bo guys, ngicela ngitsheleni what exactly is amusing uMangwabe. Sixakekile thina sibona two grown women who are almost getting physical with each other, and sisaxakekile ukuthi hayibo guys anisebadala. No, this is giving high school, you know, this is giving high school. Hi ndithi uMangwabe sana, uMangwabe akahappy ubaby girl akakhona ngisho nanokupretenda ukuthi pretende kokungcona ukuthi unhappy. Uthi for who, for what? I ain't gonna pretend nothing. I'm happy and that's it, you know. Mangwabe is just, she is in her bubble guys, she is in her bubble. She is extremely happy. I honestly cannot wait to see exactly what was amusing uMangwabe, even though I know ukuthi our queen was so happy because these two are fighting. That's one thing that made our queen happy, but still I want to know ukuthi kahle Mangwabe hayi niladi kuchaza kangaka, especially because phela wena wenza ama arrangement ukuthi umove out. Manje lena ekade sichaza kangaka intoni yey guys ngiyabona zaseMzumbe indaba Ndi-right ngazo mina, ndi-right because guys angeke size sikwazi ngisho nanokuyiconfirma asizazi asizazi ezasemzumbi akusona zethu. So nje but I honestly cannot wait for tonight's episode, and above anything else really ngifisa ukwazi ukuthi kahle kwenzakalani noma kwenzakaleni between uMaNgwabe uMayeni noMacele, you know, kade bebangani lenkhaka. Hey ngifisa ukwazi ngifisa ukwazi. Well, listen, guysini, Makhumalo's dress, in case you miss it. Wow, guys, wow. I just had to, you know, give her a bit of screen time. If you know what I mean. But guys, her dress was beautiful. You know, when you finally see the full dress, the full product, it makes sense why she was late. To me, it does. I don't know about you all, but to me, it really does. It makes good sense that she was late. Our queen wanted to look good, you know. She wanted to look great, and she did, you know. At the end of the day, the dress was beautiful. You know, the full look of this dress was breathtaking. She was beautiful, and she took lot of pictures. Now let's talk about her being shady, child, because she looks shady. Not looks, but you know, by her post over there on Instagram. She posted so many pictures titled Umdeni Wami with love emojis and all that, okay? One, for status, she only posted a picture. I don't know if she took pictures with other wives, but to me, it looks like she only took a picture with uMaNgwabe, and that's the only picture that she posted. Guys, uMaNgwabe benothobile had beef, you know. They were beefing because uMaNgwabe really did say things that were not really nice. But it looks like uThobile is willing to overlook whatever that was said about her father and really try to form a strong relationship with uMaNgwabe again. We know that at one point when they were still girlfriends, Ziga Musa, they were friends. So I'm thinking they are still they are still there, you know. They still wanted to tighten that relationship once more again. Hey, yay. Mangitshela ukuthi uThobile ushady there, over there on the grams. I mean, uThobile ushady over there on the grams. Did she note took a picture with Mangwabe's son? Because it's Mangwabe's son, guys. Mangwabe's son was in a carpet all along. Yay. Finally, it seems like they are done with secrets. Now they are finally getting to embrace Mangwabe's son. You know, as much as he doesn't get any much of a screen time and all that, but at least, you know, a bit of recognition means something. Not to Mangwabe there on the grams posting Mangwabe's son. Hey! Kazin, I'm like, hey, bo, Thobile, how about your real stepsons? You know who I'm talking about. Ibubesi, Lion, Kazin, Umpumelelo, Nolwandle. They were nowhere to be seen, child, nowhere to be found. No way. I'm like, I want my tops. Those are your, you know, not that I'm saying Mangwabe's son as not Thobile's step son in a way, you know, but I don't know. I expected to see a picture with Ulwadle. I expected to see a picture with Umpumelelo. No, never that. And the title Umdeni Wami, it screams ukuthi whomst are my real family, or whomst do I really consider family? You get? Then those are not a lion, Nkosami, whole lion. Ibubesi Nkosami is not part of the list of whom Thobile consider family. Ulwandle kosakodwa ulwandle wenzeni, but ke ulwandle uma wakhe unenhliziyo enjalo ke, so therefore uThobile naye akakwazi ukulibele busy insect ngenkani ebebona ukuthi mina uma mokhona inhliziyo yakhe needs to be cleansed, you know. So I'm like, yay. Kunitsi lapha eMzumbe guys, lapha eMzumbe, lapha ya kule yamize yellow kuningi. Anyway, guys, one thing for sure, I cannot wait. I cannot wait for tonight's episode. Now, guys, if you do love and enjoy our reviews, would give this a video a huge thumbs up. And of course, I will see you on the next one when I am back unpacking more of Uthando Nesithembu. Till then, please do stay blessed and I love you.